What the? Yo, what's up? Yo, this is your boy Lulu making another video about South Africa. Nah, it's like we at Hampton Boulevard in the red dot. And you know how, what the?
Damn, you see it's hot. It burned through the wood, my dog. Damn.
It's fresh somehow. Now, you thought I was in Africa. You got issues. Africa is much better than this. They got trees, wildlife. What is this crappy old place got? Some dead looking up trees up here. Some burnt up looking graffiti stuff. Who wants to have a picnic up here and have a family up here? Not me. I said not me. Listen to that one. Now, do you see these trees knocked down? Like, see that one over there? And it's everywhere. How would you like it? How would you like it? How would you like it if someone was cutting down your houses? You wonder how the bird feels? It's like, oh God, where do I live now? Where do I live? So, one thing we can do is stop littering and take care of our environment, because it's not funny. It's not funny at all. It's not cute throwing trash on the floor. It's not cool throwing this on the floor. It's not cool tagging up everywhere. It's not cool doing anything to this stuff. So what should we do? Is we should stop it. See ya. Lord, leave me alone! Oh God! Oh God! Leave me alone! Lord, leave me alone! Oh, Lord! This is not funny!
This is Sparta!
Oh, you mean red dot boys?
Whatever, fall!
Ah!
Ah! Put the stick down! Put the stick down!